Hey, what's up guys? My name is Tech Sidhu. Welcome back to my channel SS Tech Beats. So guys, today I would like to introduce some amazing product in this video. So that's the product name is DSLR Nikon 3500D HD camera. So anyone if you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel for latest updates and tap to the bell icon. Press the like button. So don't waste time. Let's begin the video. So guys, first of all we have a 16 GB memory card. And also carry bag. So guys, see Nikon D3500 HD camera. So we will see Nikon and 16 GB TF card and also printed some brand details in the box. So now let's open the box and check them outside. So first of all we have a Nikon camera manual papers and also details warranty cards. So company gives us these RR products very protectively, like to use air bubbles covers for extra safety. So this is Nikon camera lenses. And this one is a Nikon charger model MH22. So guys, this box available only one battery. Anyone want extra battery life, order one more battery, and also we have only 1230 mAh power on this battery. So guys, finally open a Nikon camera. So guys, you will see Nikon D3500 HD camera. So guys, we will see this camera is looking good. It looks like very pretty and cute, and also this design is very nice and looking smart. You will carry easily on any place. And box is empty. So place this outside. So now see the backpack. So guys, you will see Nikon branded backpack. To use this backpack, you will carry any place easily on your camera. This bag contains a leather belt and also included a neck belt for easily carry your cam. And the belt material is very hardest for safety. And also bag is empty. So I am purchased this Nikon camera 31,000 rupees on Amazon. But this product price are not stable in the device. Buying on 30 or 31,000 rupees around the price, and also save your money best price. So guys, this camera features brand Nikon model 3500D HD camera. Effective pixel 24.2 MP sensor type comms, 1080p recording at 60 pictures, type DSLR, and also we have a tripod socket and downwards. So it's working operating temperature 0.2 to 43 degrees. You can perfectly use it. So this camera contains a single lens reflecting digital camera. So this camera lens is 18.55 mm zooming lens. And also we have a Ultra HD display on this cam, and also battery included in downwards. And two types of flashlights are available in this camera, and memory card pin available on right side, and also data cable pin and HDMI pin on left side. So guys, you can see the silver color hard disk ring. It's working both camera and lens attachable very tightly fixed. And also you can see the pin and also switch. You can press the switch after lens open in the pin working. Fix it the lens. I mean you can't do the press the switch before lens opening, they are not opened and also damage your cam. So you can do carefully before lens opening. So guys, this is on and off switch, and also this cam contains many more models and switches. I think you can do your level best for this cam operating. After you can make best photos and videos. So friends, I can see how to attach this lens. So guys, white points are added in both cam and lens. So see the points and place the right side position. And press rotate the lens left side. So you can check lens are added. So this is zooming option, and also press the switch, rotate any side, lens are closed. So before I am telling how to open the lens, don't forget to press this switch. After press this switch, rotate the right side, you can do open the lens easily. So guys, now add the battery and switch on the camera to check them all of us working. So slide the switch right side after cam is activated, but more functions are available in this display. So I will see next video on how to work and operate the camera. And put it the TF card on right side after cam is ready to shoot. So guys, I will put it the cam quality pics and video ending, and also I will put it a camera link and description. So guys, now you are watching DSLR 3500D Nikon HD camera unboxing and review. So anyone, if you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel for latest updates, and also my videos share on your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.